Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to have a look at the Google Pixel 2 XL and do an unboxing of this smartphone. So let's have a tour of the first box. So over here, this is the front view, on the top view of the box. So over here is a picture of the Google 2 Pixel XL of the black color, and that's the back side of it. Over here is the side show of the, and over here is a Team Pixel hashtag, and on the bottom is the Google logo. So on this side of the box, here is the Google Assistant built in, the features which it is showing, and the camera lens. And on the top there is nothing, and on the bottom the MRP of this smartphone is 73,000 rupees in Indian currency, and that's it, nothing else. So now without any further ado, let's unbox it. So I already unboxed it and set it up so that it would be easy for me while recording the video. So here is the smartphone piece. So let's have a look at it, and let's getting it stuck a bit. So let's keep this aside and have a look at the other stuff what comes inside the box. So yeah, welcome to Pixel, and let's see what's inside it. I think the paperwork and all will be there. So over here is a SIM ejecting tool. So let's see what's more. So here's a Be Safe guide. Here's a Let's Get Started guide. So it's showing what all is there and how to set it up. That's how to set up the smartphone, nothing else. So let's keep this aside. So now let's see what's more in the box. So here is the OTG thing, like if you want to connect USB to your phone, so you can use use this converter to connect it to the phone. A USB type C to normal USB port. So as you guys already know, the 3.5mm head jack is dead. So now you have to use this dongle kind of thing to connect a 3.5mm jack headphone to it. And this is a type C to type C cable which comes with it. It's really nice, thick, so that it doesn't break easily. So over here I think it's a charging brick. So yeah, this is a charging brick for it. So let's keep all this aside. So this is the just black version. The color is called the just black. There is one more color which is called as black and white. So the half portion is black and the half portion is white color, which I don't have. So this is the just black version. So now let's have a look at the smartphone and its features. So here is the home key, power key. Here is the volume rocker. On the back side, this is the fingerprint scanner, camera. So the camera is of 12 megapixel and at 1.8 aperture. Over here on the front, this is a Gorilla 5 glass, and the camera, the front facing camera is 8 megapixel. Over here is a LED flash, and on the bottom is a type C charging. That's it. And over here is the SIM ejecting tool tray. Here is the mic on the top. On the bottom, that's nothing, and it has a 2 stereo speakers front facing, which is nice. So let's switch it on and see what's now. As you can see, the Google logo appears. Powered by Android. So that's how it starts. So that's it, nothing else. So this one is a 6-inch screen, and it has 18:9 ratio Quad HD screen. Then in this phone, it's similar to the iPhone 10. It has a front and back portrait mode, which it only had been in the camera of iPhone 7 and later, which was only in the rear on the back side. So it's also now available in the front facing also, and it runs on a Snapdragon 835 processor, and it has a 4GB RAM, and this one is available in 64GB and 128GB internal storage variant, and this one is a 64GB variant which I have in the hand right now. And that's it. Now let's take a few pictures and see what's more. And it has a battery of 3520 mAh, and it has a fast charging, and it also has a feature which is called as squeeze for assistance. So if you squeeze it, the Google Assistants will pop out. So it's just you have to squeeze it the side. That's it. So it's a nice feature. So now let's take a few pictures of this. The camera quality looks really nice. The colors are really very vibrant and popping out of the screen. So let's take a picture. The picture is really crisp and nice. So now let's take a picture using the front facing camera. Hello guys. It's a really nice picture. So here are the features of what all it can do. So here is a portrait feature. So now let's take one more picture. As you guys can see, the background is blurred and it's focusing on my face. So it's a nice feature. If you don't want a portrait picture, you can also use it as a normal picture. As you can see over here, you can tell the difference right there. Really nice. So now let's see what it is running on, and let's also check out the fingerprint scanner. Sorry. So it's running on Android 8.1.0, and now let's set up the fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint added. So now let's unlock the smartphone using the fingerprint, and it's really very fast. As I keep my finger on it, it will automatically unlock the smartphone. It's so fast. So guys, that's it for the unboxing and the overview of the Google 2 Pixel XL. So that was my unboxing video. So if you liked my video and really loved it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys.